Hi there. So this is how the process works. This is a part from a 2008 Maserati Granturismo. This is from the HVAC. That's the heating, ventilation and aircon unit. Same on the quattroportes. So as you can see, the whole of, it's actually completely sticky to my touch. It's awful. It's, you don't want to be touching this when you're in your car. So we get the part like this and we completely strip it off back to bare plastic, and it will look something like this. Back to bare plastic. This part will then get a very, very light sand just to make sure everything's nice and smooth, and gets painted. Obviously this is plastic, so it has to be specialty paint, and this is what it looks like once it's all painted. So now all these parts have been painted. So for example, this is what you get. Let's get it in focus. There we go. See that? The direction arrow you see is from previous lasering. That's the original. So they've actually lasered into the plastic, which is fine because I'm going to be lasering in exactly the same place anyways. So these get painted completely. As you can see, they're all painted up. They came out nice, all painted up. They need to cure now. Once these have cured, then they will get their laser etch. Once that happens, then they'll get their soft touch. But I'm going to wait until tomorrow, wait until these are properly cured, and then laser etch them. And through the magic of editing, you'll be able to see that now. So we are now at a stage where we start laser etching these buttons. The paint job came out really well, nice and smooth. If I can focus on this, there we go. Came out really good. So now we just laser etch this. We've got to make sure that it's nice and flat, exactly where we want it, and we press play. It's as simple as that. And the rest are exactly the same. I've done all the buttons now. I just wanted, well, I've got one or two more left, but I just wanted to show you how this is done and how clear this is. Now, to get this to this point is a lot of effort, a lot of cleaning involved, a lot of stripping involved, sanding, and so on and so forth, painting, making sure the paint is good, and also to getting these graphics right. You have to make sure, obviously, that the font, for example, that you're using is perfectly correct. You have to make sure that these graphics are properly done. Now, you can't just buy these from the internet. You cannot buy these graphics from the internet or anything. You have to make them. And thankfully, I have the skill to do that. The skill, the software, and the technology to do that. I can do this for any car. As long as I have the original button, I can scan it and get the graphics perfectly correct and in size.